The Wild West Saloon is a place that is steeped in history and legend. It is a place where gunslingers, outlaws, and cowboys come to relax and unwind after a long day of work. The drinks that were served in these saloons were as legendary as the people who drank them. In this section, we will explore the drinks of the Wild West Saloon. Number 1. Whiskey. Whiskey was the drink of choice in the Wild West Saloon. It was a cheap and readily available drink that could be found in almost every saloon. Whiskey was served straight up or mixed with water, soda, or other ingredients to create cocktails. The quality of the whiskey varied greatly, with some saloons serving top-shelf whiskey, while others served vodka. Number 2. Beer. Beer was also a popular drink in the Wild West Saloon. It was a refreshing drink that was perfect for hot summer days. Beer was served in large mugs or glasses and was often brewed inside. The quality of the beer varied greatly, with some saloons served high-quality craft beer while others served cheap and watery beer. Number 3. Gin. Gin was a popular drink in the Wild West Saloon, especially among women. It was a sweet and a fruity drink that was often mixed with other ingredients to create cocktails. The quality of the gin varied greatly, with some saloons were top-shelf gin, while others served cheap and poorly made gin. Moonshine. Moonshine was a popular drink in the Wild West Saloon, especially in areas where alcohol was illegal. It was a strong and often dangerous brown drink that was brewed in secret. Moonshine was often served straight up or mixed with other ingredients to create cocktails. The quality of the moonshine varied greatly, with some saloons served high-quality moonshine, while others served poorly made moonshines that could make you go blind. Number 5. Tequila. Tequila was a popular drink in the Wild West Saloon, especially in areas with a large Hispanic population. It was a strong and favorable drink that was often served straight up or mixed with other ingredients to create cocktails. The quality of tequila varied greatly, with some saloons serving top-shelf tequila, while others served cheap and poorly made tequila. Overall, the drinks of the Wild West Saloon were a reflection of the times. They were strong, flavorful, and often dangerous, while the quality of the drinks varied greatly. They were all a part of the Wild West experience. Whether you were gunslingers, outlaws, or a cowboy, there was a drink for everyone in the Wild West Saloon.